Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password on your Soundraw account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to soundraw.io and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Soundraw. You simply need to log in right here. On the navbar at the rightmost section, you will find the login button right here. Simply click on it. Enter your credentials and log in right now. Once you've entered your credentials, simply hit on login right now. You will then be redirected to your account. Right here at the topmost section, you will find your profile icon right here. Simply click on it. Something like this will open up. Right here, simply go to this account section that you will find right here. From here at the very bottom, under this general information tab, you will find something like manage password. Simply click on it. Now in this section, it will ask for your current password and your new passwords. Simply enter all of them. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the save button right here. And then your account password will be successfully updated. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you change your password on Soundraw.io. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.